Hey, I'm Jana from Phocas. Are you tired of juggling multiple management reporting needs? Then feeling deflated because by the time the reports are ready, they're already outdated? Let me show you how fast and easy it is to customize management reports using Phocas. You can relax knowing your reports are always up to date with the latest financial and operational data direct from your ERPs. Here, I have a management dashboard that I've built to look at our operational expenses, as well as some other key performance indicators. Now, let's imagine I'm head of sales. When I focus on my sales division, the dashboard immediately updates, so I'm only looking at the sales numbers. It allows me to see how overall sales numbers track across expense levels such as remuneration, travel, mileage, and technology. The beauty here is that each department head can access the numbers specific to their division, all from the same management dashboard. Gone are the days of creating multiple reports to suit different divisions. Phocas makes it easy to customize dashboards, and if I needed to, I could even add a branch filter. There's no waiting around for the data or spending hours juggling financial reports for different branches or divisions. Users can drill into the data where permissions allow whenever they need to. Did you know that you can also use Phocas for your board-level reporting? Let me show you. This dashboard has been created as a board pack and gives a 30,000-foot view of the business. I'm able to include important notes, highlights, or initiatives for the board's attention right here in the dashboard. As I scroll through, you'll see a consolidated profit and loss statement, ratios, as well as some trends. With Phocas, you can be super efficient with your management reporting, meaning less stress and more time for other tasks. Get a demo today and let us personally show you what Phocas can do for your business.